Welcome to taking your planning expertise to the next level with Job Planning Fundamentals, Detailed Planning. This course bridges the gap between pre-work and execution, transforming your understanding of the work scope into an executable job plan. You'll master essential skills like understanding estimating basis and standards, creating logical step-out plans, estimating cost, duration, and resources, specifying job tools for work packages. We'll take the inputs from your pre-work and craft them into comprehensive step-out plans. You'll learn to estimate resources, materials, and time, ensuring safe and effective execution of approved work scopes. Remember, success in planning comes from consistently following standard work processes and practices. This course is your roadmap to becoming a stronger planner, capable of creating plans that truly get the job done. Are you ready to elevate your planning skills? Let's turn that knowledge into action. Begin your journey to master detailed planning now.